You ever wanted to level up your slow stitching and create something a little more unique, and you didn't know where to start? You don't know how to make a background. You just pull out your trusty old muslin or whatever, and you work on that. But if we had some different backgrounds, it will inspire us to do different things. Now, if you just take some of your scraps and build a few backgrounds, and they'll be around when you need them, and just do it from that, okay? For instance, I have this piece of fabric right here. It's a beautiful fabric, but it's too big for a piece of slow stitch for me. So what I did was I cut it in half, okay? So now I've got this part, and I can put that part on there, and that's, that's pretty. Or I can choose to turn it around and put it like that. And now I have something I can work with just a little bit more. I have a little pile of scraps here, and I have this piece and this piece, and I really think I like this piece better, all right, because it's a little bit more different. The other piece looks like it belongs there. I want something that doesn't really look like it came with it. It doesn't belong there. All right, I'm doing something like that. Now I have little pieces like this. We'll see. We don't want to overdo this, okay? Don't overdo it. Just do it enough. Let's take a little snippet of this. I put it right in there, like that. And then I had this triangle. What if we had, okay. Now that is all it needs right there. You have built a background that now you can come in and put your specific pieces that you want to put in for your slow stitch. You can do your embroidery stitching around to emphasize pattern or just make something different. Or you can simply do a running stitch and stitch the whole thing down like that. However you want to do it, you're building on something that's very unique and different and will inspire you to do different things. And it's fun, and it uses lots of your scraps up too, which is always a plus. So now what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to take it to the sewing machine, and I'm going to sew down the basic pieces in a sewing machine. And then it'll be ready to slow stitch the rest of it. So stay with me, I'll be right back. Okay, I got it all stitched and it's ready to go. Now, wouldn't you love to just have this on your shelf, and when you got an inspiration one day for something, or you wanted the color tones, or you want to add it to a bigger piece, or you want to cut it up even, whatever, wouldn't you just love to have it in your drawer or on your shelf? It's already done and it's ready to go. Now, it's not perfectly sized, and you may want to use it just like it is. You may want to square it up. You may want to half it. I don't know what you would do with it, but I would use it like it is and just go with it. And I think that would be so much fun to be able to start with a piece that has some interest, that is collaged somewhat, but not everything isn't done. It's plenty of room for your own expressions through your stitching and through the elements that you would add to it. What kind of elements might you add? Well, it's just anything that really interests you, that you think that you might like to put on there. I mean, it's just, there's no end to the things that you could try. Let's see what I don't really have anything around, but, just whatever interested you to add to it would be great. That it's just simply all it is. It's a personal choice. to be able to do those things. Maybe you just want to add a little bit of trim, okay? Something, you know, that just sets it off a little bit or something like that. You just don't know. You just play with it a little bit until you get where you want to be, all right? So that's what I wanted to show you today. Just give you a little idea there, a little bit of inspiration, something you might do. And hope that gets you on a good start this morning. So thank you so much for being with me, and let's stay scrap happy.